Hamid.
Thank you guys for supporting our channel. And we know some of you kids wanted a channel. So we're going to share 15 amazing ideas.
Yes, 15.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment to our channel. Let's get started.
Number 1, gaming channel. So if you're really good in gaming, you can do YouTube channel video, or you can do Fortnite or Roblox, Ninjago, anything, or PUBG.
Number 2, puppet show and storytelling. So your puppet can do the storytelling, and then it'll be really fun. So yeah, you can make a puppet show channel.
Number 3, baking. So
Baking and cooking.
Baking and cooking. So you can make a cake or cupcakes, anything.
Number 4, DIY and craft channel. So you can make butterflies. Butterfly DIY things for your room, make things out of cardboard boxes, and you can make soap, so you can also sell it to people. And soap and slime you can make. And you can also sell it to people.
Number 5, pretend play. So pretend play means like superhero. So you can pretend like a doctor or Spider-Man or ninja.
And you can do funny videos. Your interest. Number 6, educational. If you're good at math, English, science, anything, you can make a channel of it and tell other kids about it.
Number 7, funny and horror videos, like haunted places, and you can check in YouTube horror videos.
Number 7, drawing, sketching, and painting. If you're good at drawing, painting, and sketching, you can make a channel of it and show other kids.
Number 8, science. Number 9, science experiments. So science experiment is like you can make a rainbow, you can make explosions, anything you want.
Number 10, hairstyle and makeup. If you want a channel of hairstyle and makeup, you can show people hairstyle and makeup.
Number 11, unboxing
and reviewing.
Okay, and gadgets mean like iPad or Lego or like a phone, anything.
Number 12, if you have a pet, you can make a channel of your pet. So if you have a donkey, a horse, dog, cat, any pet, you can make a channel of it, how it plays, how it eats.
Challenges and pranks. So challenges like a parkour, or challenges your friends and family, like spicy foods or cold foods.
Try not to blink or put water, and try not to laugh. Number 14, information channel. Like, why does the moon always be in the sky when we are asleep? Why is the sun in the morning? Anything you want to ask your parents, and you can do a channel. Okay, now this is the last one is number 15, our most favorite one. Number 15, travel vlog. So we actually love travel vlogs. You can make a channel that is travel vlogs too, so you can show people where you are, just like us. So that's all for today. I hope you like our channel, and I hope you don't, and like, down, and subscribe. And before we go, we have to do something.